wonderful people. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make intros and outros of YouTube. Please do subscribe, like and share this video. So let's get started. The very first step is to find the type of theme you want, the type of aesthetic you want. So the one that I'm searching for is blue aesthetic is my theme, and the app that I'm using is Pinterest. Now there are thousands of options to choose from, so I'm just gonna pick out some few random pictures as my intro and as my outro. I'm gonna download the pictures that I like and would look nice for my theme. So once you are done picking up your picture, it's time to make the intro. And the app that I'm using is Inshot. It is super easy to use. So now you can see there are three options: collage, photo and video. We are going to select the video option and the new option, and then from the photo we are going to select the picture that we want as an intro. And then among many options we are going to select the crop option, and there are many more options inside, and we are just going to select the YouTube crop, and we are going to select the part we want, and then we are just going to add more of them. So we're just going to make a duplicate of them, and we'll just get a 15-second short video, and then we're going to add some texts to it. And give it some transitions to show how our text is gonna pop out. So I'm just gonna adjust the text, and this is how my text is gonna pop out. I'm gonna put in a few more text. Make sure you don't overdo it. Once you are done and you are satisfied with your video, you can save it. So this is how your intro will look, and this is just the first part of making your intro. Now we're gonna make the outro. So select the picture that you want and crop it into YouTube crop. Select the part that you want from the picture, and then you're gonna duplicate it, make it a 15-second mini video, the same things as we did as an intro. Give some transitions so that my text would pop out and it would be eye-catching. So I'm just gonna again put some more text, and make sure that I don't overdo it. Also, don't forget to leave out some space in the last for your end scene. End scene is to put out the previous videos. So this is how our outro is gonna look. Okay, so once this is done, we are gonna give it more effects to make it look more lively. So the one app that I recommend to use and I am using is the Snow app, and this is gonna make our video lively. So the option I'm gonna choose is the effect option, and in the effect options you can try out as many as you like, but I'm just gonna put in a few. I'm gonna try in a few, and the one that I like the most is the one that I'm gonna use right now. Now there's an option for stickers too, where you can put more effects and more films and more frames. So I'm just gonna check out some, and the one that suits most on my intro is the one that I'm gonna keep. Okay, and that's it. My intro is ready. And it is really very eye-catching. So now we are going to focus on the outro, and that is by selecting the video we want and again giving it the effects. So like I said, I'm going to be making my outro more glitter, so I'm just going to put in some effects that contains glitter. And if you want, you can just select some sticker options, and I'm just gonna scroll through. If you don't like, you can just forward it, and that's it. You get your, if you're satisfied by it, you get your outro. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like and comment. Please do support. I really hope you like it. Bye bye.